people. You know, they are my people. Just want to inform you guys, make you guys know what's actually taking place as by looking at me, my people. I have to tell you what I go on, and see what I go on. Yeah, man, no, see what I go on with my eye. So, this is what I wake up to this morning, my people. And to be honest, it's not just me alone this happened to. It's over 40 workers on my farm, and all of we is all Jamaican. Yeah, man. You know, while we are working, yesterday, with people, we feel we skin a burn me, you know? Behind my ears, my neck, all over, just a burn, just a itch with people. Yeah. So, this is what we wake up to this morning, you know? So, remember, them say health come first, right? Yeah, man, health come first in any case. So, we can't tell what's the cause of it. So, you know, the best thing to do is to visit a doctor, clinic, hospital. Yeah, man. So, we just jump up in the morning and all my people, and I want to put myself together, guys, and head to the hospital and visit the doctor, find out what I go on, if I go get some antibiotic or get some cream for rub on it or what. I don't know. So this is just to make you guys know what actually taking place. You know? Yeah, man. But otherwise, I'm up, I'm good, I'm alright. But the healthy part, you know, I can't tell if I'm healthy as yet. Because I remember me saying some people, I don't know what go on. You can't tell what go on, but I just have to wish and hope for the best. Hope I know nothing life threatening, I know nothing serious to the health, especially my eye. Remember last year, I being down the road, have something happened to my eye. Something getting on my eye, and we go through that. And if you know, so I come back this year again, my people. I go through something this even worse, I swear, to be honest. You know? Yeah, man. So, I just want to let you guys know this is definitely, without a doubt, the last year on this program, traveling. You know? Yeah, man. Right now, I'm there talking people, my eye itch me. My neck, I don't want to see behind my ears. How behind my ears stay. Yeah, my voice change. Yeah, man. I don't know why not they feel my people. I don't know what take place. Yeah. And I'm not allowed to tell the field or the farm name now. I cannot do that. I'm not allowed to. It's against the policy. You know. Me only can just come in front of people and make them know what I go on and tell them, you know. So like I said, this is definitely my last year on the program. So you want me ask for a little kind-hearted help from you guys. My plan is to just stay for the rest of the season and make some money and put towards a little fishing boat. I go back to Jamaica, see if I can help myself and buy a boat, my people, and stick to fishing, which is my passion. Because I don't see what I go on with people. I don't want to stay in this and damage my health. I have my kids and to live for. Yeah, man, I have a family to live for, a family who depend on me. I know my mother could all watch every day and I pay cry, my cry. My father same way, my sister them, you know. Because I know them still. You see me? So now I go run down to the hospital shortly. But just I wait for the supervisor or whatever. He just take me to the hospital. See a doctor, my people. No, but my eye, man. But my eye, guys. John, I don't feel comfortable no more being on the program. No. So, I don't think me should have play like me tough. People, right now, my kids them good all I see this right now. Be fret them I go fret. You know. That's so much my kids them love me. I know them now want nothing to do them daddy. You know. John, man. But it's what it is. It happened and we can't turn it back. We only can treat it and put a stop into this. But now I got there, so it could be the third time. Something play with my health. People. So like me say, but just I go stay for a season after me get treat. And just make some money. And just invest in fishing by buying myself a little boat. So please me ask you, feel free to donate something towards me getting a fishing boat. So that's it here, my people. I remember I never good nothing to put on. And I know my style is to come I beg nobody nothing. But on a see the condition as me explained to you. Yeah, man. Now this man when I wake up, my eye was covered in matter. I look right as I go on. I don't know. It's like something burn the skin, dry out everything. Some chemical or dust on the tree. I don't know if the field not get taken care of properly or what, guys. But something alright. You know, close up look, you can look right around the eye and the ear. But maybe through it I show through the phone, you not see what me I see if me directly look inside a mirror. It's more dangerous, especially on top of the eye, them swell. And here so have a little swell. So I don't know. If you don't really see what me I see, the people. So I go put myself together on the people to head down to the hospital. You know. Yeah, so as soon as we go get through, make it know what is the outcome.